I've got a confession. When I was young I wanted attention, and I promised myself that I'd do anything at all for them to notice me. But I ain't complaining, we all wanna be famous, so go ahead and say what you wanna say. You don't know what it's like to be nameless, won't even know what your name is.